Hello dolls, I'm so excited to show you this green eyeshadow tutorial inspired by the character Cat from Euphoria. I used a mini sponge to blend MAC Soft Ochre and Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Medium on my lid. Then I picked an eyeshadow color slightly lighter than my skin tone and blended it up to my crease as a transition color. I used a fluffy eyeshadow Morphe brush. To make sure the eyeshadow color is bright, I'm using this white Morphe pencil and applying it to my lid. With the warmth of my finger, I'm going to softly press it into my skin and diffuse harsh lines. I am starting with the Zulu by Juvia'sPlace eyeshadow palette. I'm starting with shade 4 all over my lid and blending up to the crease with an angled eyeshadow brush. I really want to make sure the shadows pop, so I sprayed my brush with Fix Plus from MAC. Using this shading brush from Kiko Milano, I'm dipping into this green from the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette, also spraying with Fix Plus. I went back to my angled brush to blend the crease. Now taking the top left shimmery shade and applying it to my inner corner with a detailing brush. Then I'm taking the bottom right yellow color to blend the green and shimmer to create a gradient effect. Here I'm just going back and forth to make sure there are no harsh lines. Now using Urban Decay Vice LTD Reloaded palette with this EcoTools crease brush to apply the color Mildew from mid to outer lid. Blending up to the crease, I mix that with the bottom dark green in the middle of the Huda palette. I made that face because I want a lot of product on the brush, but caused a lot of fallout. Here I'm going in with the first brush to just blend all the colors together. Going back to the Urban Decay palette, I'm using Acid Rain to add dimension to the inner corner. Taking shade 5 in the Zulu palette to make the inner corner look more lime green. You can take it as far in as you like to replicate the photo. Since I had some fallout towards the end, I just used a makeup wipe to take it off. Lastly, I lined the bottom of my waterline with the same coconut Morphe pencil. Then I went back to the green Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I'm using the left dark green in the middle row to line the bottom of my lid. Then for mascara, I'm using the Tarte Big Ego. In the picture, it didn't seem like she had liner, so I only applied mascara. Alright guys, this is the final look. It's obviously inspired. I didn't have the exact same colors to make it turn out just like the picture, but I thought it could use a little better, of an ombre effect. I did spread this inner color out a little more just to make it a little closer to the picture, but I hope you guys like this tutorial, and please stay tuned for more. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any suggestions or want to see something specific from me. Thank you.